The mission of Vgrid is to reverse climate change. When people think about climate change, they talk about the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide in the atmosphere acts like a greenhouse. It keeps the heat trapped in the earth, and the earth's temperature has been slowly rising. In order to go back down, we need to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And we do that by harnessing what nature gives us.
Biochar is nothing but carbon, elemental carbon, that is made from waste plant material or waste agriculture material. A pound of biochar is able to sequester about 3 to 4 pounds or equivalent amount of CO2 from the Earth's atmosphere.
It's the ultimate recycling. It takes waste wood and generates electricity as a usable product.
But we're taking something that would normally give all its CO2 back and making electricity out of it.